In today's video, I'm going to teach you today. I'll show you how to make a visually appealing Google Sheet on desktop. Open your Google Sheet on desktop so we can work together. Using a full browser gives you access to all the formatting controls and makes layout decisions easier to see as you go. Start by organizing your data into clear tables with headers for each column. Think about what each column represents and keep similar information grouped. A clean structure is the foundation of a good-looking sheet. Create a single header row for each table and use clear, short labels like date, category, or total. Avoid unnecessary blank rows and keep your data continuous so features like sorting and filtering work smoothly. Next, make those headers stand out. Select the header row and apply bold text. Then add a subtle background color that contrasts well with your text color. High contrast improves readability, so a medium-toned header filled with dark text is usually a safe choice. Keep it simple and consistent across all tables to maintain a professional look. To make long lists easier to scan, use alternating row colors. Select the range you want to format, then go to Format. Alternating colors. Choose a style that complements your header color and adjust if needed. Make sure the tool recognizes your header row so the pattern starts below it. This subtle striping helps your eyes track across rows without getting lost. Now, adjust column widths and row heights for readability. Drag the edges of column letters and row numbers until labels and values fit comfortably. Aim for enough space that numbers don't wrap or get cut off, but avoid overly wide columns that create wasted space. Balance is key. Use borders to separate sections and improve visual clarity. Apply light, thin borders for general table grids, and consider a slightly thicker border around a summary area or totals row to create a clear visual break. Keep the line weight and color consistent so your sheet looks cohesive. Optionally, highlight key insights with charts, conditional formatting, or icons. A simple bar or line chart can quickly communicate trends. Conditional formatting can draw attention to outliers or goals met, using subtle color scales or icons to signal what matters most. Finally, keep your design consistent. Stick to a limited color palette and one font style across the document. Reuse the same header color, text size, and border style throughout to create a polished, unified look. And that's how you make a visually appealing Google Sheet on desktop.